watching live, give me a hashtag live. If you're checking the replay, hashtag replay. So I just became a lifetime partner with Tier 5 and John Vaughn. Super excited. Basically, so far, 6 of us took him up on this deal, which I think is an incredible value if you believe in his long-term vision. And you can see he's working hard every day in his business. He has over 40 software engineers on his team, and they make some awesome software. The only caveat is he's not a marketer, but I actually think he's a pretty good marketer. So if you connect with him, either he adds you automatically with one of his Chrome extensions like Friend Connector, or you see him posting content, adding value to groups, you'll come to know that he's pretty good at what he does, both in making software and spreading the word organically. So I jumped in at this opportunity to get lifetime access to all these softwares and to be able to offer these softwares at whatever price I want. So basically, I want to give you guys a chance today to check out Sticky Reviews, which is a social proof software. You can try it for 14 days, risk-free. And basically, I'll show you what it does real quick. So you can see in this bottom left corner, I have some sticky reviews set up. And there's some cool things about sticky reviews that some other social proof softwares don't have. So this little badge down here, you can actually brand that. You could put your company there. So when someone clicks it, it's going to take them to a link that you send them to. So for me, I put ClickFunnels as one of those, so I can get ClickFunnels trials if people click that. And I also added sticky reviews. So if anybody clicks on that, they'll be taken to sticky reviews, and they're actually signing up for my software page for sticky reviews. So they can start a free trial for 14 days. You can see the pricing down here. It's $15 a month, which is a little less than some of the other ones like UseProof, and it's more customizable. The unlimited plan, the agency plan, is $47 a month. So that's a pretty good value as well. I'm going to show you how you can kind of customize these reviews as well. So I'm in here, this is my campaign. That's where you set up your reviews. Basically, you would copy this snippet and post it in your header or footer, and that's what gets those reviews populating on the page. And you can actually customize the look of these reviews as well. So if I come in here, you can see this is the current style. They got 5 different styles you can choose from. They got square, teardrop, square elevated, which that's a nice one. Let's look at this one. You can set the delay before these reviews start popping up, how long each review stays in the interval between the reviews. So now I saved that. Let's pop back over here and refresh this one. Now after my 3-second delay, my review pops up. So you can customize them kind of to your brand. You can brand this link here to whatever you want. You could send them wherever you want with that link if they click that, which that's an awesome feature. And you can automate these reviews coming in too. If you have a website where people are leaving you reviews, you get that link and it'll pull in new reviews automatically. You can filter it for only good reviews. So if you only want 5-star reviews to populate, those will pop up automatically and start looping. You can turn off the looping too if you want. I kind of like it. But basically, you guys can get access to this free right now for 14 days. You sign up at the link that I posted. But I also wanted to make an offer for those of you who are using ClickFunnels already. If you haven't signed up for the Platinum, basically what you're going to get is lifetime access to all the Tier 5 software at no additional charge. So once you sign up for Funnel Builder Secrets, which I'll post the link to that below, you're going to get access to all the Tier 5 software. So you're going to have a link tracking software with Link Wizard. You'll have social proof with sticky reviews. You'll have RoboContact and text in bulk, which is lead generation, and awesome platforms. You'll have an invoicing software invoicing you, and there'll be no additional cost to you as long as you stay an active ClickFunnels Platinum member. And I can offer these lifetime deals because I became a lifetime partner. So that's one of the reasons why I saw value in that. And also, the software is awesome. So let me pop up sticky reviews real quick. I'll show you how you can use this. So once you log in, there'll be some videos here that'll kind of walk you through how to use the software. You want to start with your branding. So basically what that is that's that little link inside the review. You'll come down here and click Add Branding. Say if I wanted to make it Tier 5, and I would use this link here. Wherever you want to send people, that's what you'd put for your branding. Then it saves that brand, and you can see right here what it's going to say at that bottom corner and the link it's going to send them to. Then you can add your reviews here. You can do this manually, or like I said, if you want to automate it, you would set this review link up, which I haven't done that yet. But basically, to add a review, you just click Add Review. You'd select your rating. You can either put someone's name here or a little message like, love this deal, love this lifetime deal. You pick the date and time that they left it. So we'll set that there. Now you can do audio and video reviews as well, which that's an awesome feature that a lot of the other social proof software doesn't have. Right here's where you'll add that brand that you just set up. So that's what's going to populate down in that bottom right corner. For description, this software deal is incredible. Then you can add an image. See what we got here. Throw a will up there again. Just save that review. Now, if I want to add that to my current campaign, I would come over to campaign, and you can click this little star button, and it'll populate that new review. So I could just check that right there. Reactivates it. So now if I refresh this, it's going to pop that new review up. Love this lifetime deal. This deal is incredible. It's got my branding right there. And that's custom branding. You can send them wherever you want from that. Now, if I want to change the style, I like this one. Simple as that. refresh that again. And now that's going to be that new style. So it's really easy to use, guys. How you would add a new campaign, you just have your name for what it's going to be. If you're going to do, say, if this was for my accounting website, I would just put the domain, no HTTPS or www, just the root. Select the style here. You can choose which sticky reviews will display. And since these ones are all about software, but this one's kind of a personal review, I'm only going to select that one. Custom domain, that's something you can use. If you don't want people to know about sticky reviews, you can set up a custom domain so that your reviews are kind of cloaked with that custom domain. And you'll just set up your timing here. Add the branding that you want. I'm going to go with ClickFunnels for this one. If you want, you can do an exit pop. I haven't done that. I also like to loop the sticky reviews. So boom, I got another campaign set up right here. I want to copy that snippet. Then I'll go to my ClickFunnels account. Find my funnel for my accounting website. I'm just going to edit this page, and this will just get thrown in the header or footer. So the difference there is if you put it in the header, it goes on all the pages in your funnel. The footer is just that page, so that's where I'm going to put it. Hit exit and save it. So now try to go to my website, tryjohnson.com. Something ain't populating here. There it goes. Just had to refresh it. So now I have that review, and that would loop. If I got more reviews, I could bring those in automatically, or you can just enter them in manually like I just showed you. But I recommend checking it out. It's pretty sweet. You can get a 14-day free trial. If you do end up using it, you need some help, let me know. But other than that, I'm going to keep doing little reviews like this of all the software you can get if you decide to upgrade to Funnel Builder Secrets through my link. It's going to be no additional cost to you if you're already committed to ClickFunnels, which I think it's a pretty good funnel building software myself. So that's it, guys. Appreciate your time checking me out. If I just added you as a friend, it's because I'm using one of the Tier 5 software. It's a Chrome extension called Friend Connector. So welcome to my list. Happy you're here, and I'll check you later.